A&B Sensors are proud to introduce a brand new graphical user interface designed to help with data analysis and to streamline your experience with our cutting-edge sensors. Getting started is a breeze. Begin by downloading a zip file from our website. Inside, you'll find a folder and a single executable that serves as your gateway to the sensor data. Extract the contents to a new directory on your Windows desktop or laptop. Once extracted, a simple double click of the A&B GUI executable launches the web server on localhost port 8080. And after doing its virus check, will open the GUI home screen on your default web browser. The home screen is a clean, intuitive interface, providing you with an instant overview of your connected sensor and its real-time data. Simply choose which serial port your sensor is connected to create the connection and get started. From the home screen, you can click the sensor settings link at the top of the page to set the real-time clock of the sensor. Here, you can also select the frequency of measurements for your sensor. You can choose between continuous monitoring, a measurement every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours or 4 hours. Once set, the sensor will reboot itself to pick up the new settings. From the home screen, you can click the User Interface Settings link at the top of the page to choose which metrics you would like to see. Here, if we turn them all on and refresh the browser, we will see all the graphs ready to collect data: pH, temperature, salinity, and conductivity. You can start and stop monitoring using the buttons on the home screen. First data collection depends on your monitoring interval, so it can take just a couple of minutes if monitoring in continuous mode, or longer if monitoring on a longer schedule. You can view the complete output of the sensor in the GUI by clicking on the Sensor Output link at the top of the page. Here you can see all log outputs since the user interface was connected. Tailor your experience with customizable high-low thresholds applied through the User Interface Settings link at the top of the page. Simply add your high and low limits to whichever metrics you are interested in. Here we'll do pH 7 to 10 and temperature 10 to 25. Refresh the browser and you will see the limit lines on the chosen graphs there. Now you can see the sensor has given its first data point. In the top right, we have the sensor status box, which is currently green as the transducer and sensor are both working as expected. This status box will turn red to give you an easy-to-see alert if there are any issues with your sensor or transducer. You can also see the exact pH and temperature of the last data point. Over here on the temperature graph, we have an alert as the temperature is higher than the 25-degree limit we chose. Remember, we can change the limits easily from the User Interface Settings link. So if we change the high limit to 30 degrees, refresh the browser, the alert will disappear. So we'll allow the sensor to gather some data points and then we can demonstrate the zoom function. And then simply by drawing a box on the pH graph enables you to focus on specific data points like so. And this action rescales all the graphs. And that blue button on the top right allows you to reset. The A&B Sensors graphical user interface, a powerful ally in your quest for environmental awareness. Whether you are a researcher, scientist or enthusiast, our user-friendly interface makes navigating sensor data a truly enriching experience.